LG dishwasher won't turn on. Having a dishwasher that won't turn on can be frustrating, especially when you have a pile of dirty dishes waiting to be cleaned. If you're facing this issue with your LG dishwasher, you're not alone. Many users have encountered this problem and have sought solutions. We will explore the possible reasons why your LG dishwasher won't turn on and provide troubleshooting examples and solution suggestions. Why won't my dishwasher turn on? There can be several reasons why your LG dishwasher won't turn on. It's important to understand these potential causes to effectively troubleshoot. Power supply issues. Check if the dishwasher is properly plugged in. Ensure that there are no tripped circuit breakers or blown fuses. Control panel malfunction. The control panel may be experiencing a malfunction. This could be due to a faulty control board or a loose connection. Door latch problems. If the door latch is not properly engaged, the dishwasher won't start. Check if the door latch is damaged or misaligned. Water supply problems. Dishwashers need an open water inlet valve to function. If there are issues with the water supply, the dishwasher may not turn on. Here are some troubleshooting examples and solution suggestions. 1. Check the power supply. Ensure that the dishwasher is properly plugged into a working power outlet. If it is, check if there are any tripped circuit breakers or blown fuses. Reset the circuit breaker or replace the fuse if necessary. 2. Verify the control panel. Inspect the control panel for any signs of malfunction. If the control board is faulty, it may need to be replaced. Check for loose connections and ensure that all wires are securely connected. 3. Examine the door latch. Inspect the door latch to ensure it is properly engaged. If the latch is damaged or misaligned, it may need to be replaced. Clean the latch and the surrounding area to remove any debris. 4. Check the water supply. Ensure that the water inlet valve is open and not clogged. If the valve is clogged, clean it thoroughly or replace it if necessary. Check the water pressure to ensure it meets the dishwasher's requirements. If you have identified a specific part that needs replacement, it's important to find the right spare part. Here are some common replacement parts that may be needed: control board, door latch, water inlet valve. Make sure to buy genuine LG parts to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. When to call Authorized service. If you have tried the troubleshooting steps and your LG dishwasher still won't turn on, call for Authorized service. Authorized service technicians have the expertise to diagnose and fix complex issues. They can also provide warranty repairs if your appliance is still covered. In America, LG dishwashers are widely used, with service centers in many provinces. To find the nearest service center, visit the official website of LG and call the specified call center for assistance. Summary: having a dishwasher that won't turn on can be frustrating. By understanding the potential causes and following troubleshooting steps, you can resolve the issue. Check the power supply, verify the control panel, examine the door latch, and ensure the water supply is functioning. If all else fails, it's advisable to call Authorized service for professional assistance. Remember to use genuine LG replacement parts for optimal performance. Keep in mind that the information provided is collected from the internet. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, visit the official website of LG. Note, the information here is collected from the internet. There is a possibility that it may contain incorrect information. For the most accurate information, the official website of the company should be visited. Any responsibility arising from wrong information does not belong to the site owner.